Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by clearing the immediate workspace and disconnecting non-essential devices so you can see all cable origins. Once done, label each cable with a simple number or tag so you know what reconnects where. This saves time and prevents guessing later. Now establish 2 or 3 main routes, one for power toward the outlet, one for data across the back, and one for display cables elevated along the monitor stand. Begin loosely routing cables along those paths, not tightening yet, so you can adjust. You next secure and consolidate cables so they stop being a tangled mess. Start by grouping like cables with Velcro ties. This makes future changes easy, and run them through a sleeve or tray. Keep power cords separate from data lines to reduce interference. Once grouped, attach adhesive clips along planned paths and mount an underdesk tray for power strips. Make sure to leave a little slack at the connection points for movement. Trim or coil only the excess you won't need, so everything stays tidy but accessible. You're nearly done. Reconnect devices one at a time and verify functionality so you catch any issues immediately. Once confirmed, fasten the final bundles, hide the power strip in the tray, and secure the plug orientation so nothing strains. As you finish, double-check labels for future maintenance. If something goes wrong, like a loose or intermittent connection, stop, add slack at that section, reseat the connector, and then reapply clips. This simple troubleshooting step fixes most problems without undoing your entire setup.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.